Now to install the M.2 drive, which will need the most specialized of tools. Simply line up the M.2 drive into its slot, then just carefully, just gently, carefully, just press it into its slot. Then, with quite possibly the smallest screw in the world, secure it down onto the motherboard, making sure that there's no wiggle. Now, with the motherboard fully prepared, we can begin the transfer of the motherboard into its new case. Depending on the size of your motherboard, the amount of mounting posts you'll use will differ. Since this is an ITX board, it'll only use these 4. Then secure your motherboard down onto the case, making sure